Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. Here I come with my next zodiac sign, that is Gemini. Gemini 2024 June. So let's see what we have for Gemini. Gemini are feeling very emotional, in sync with their emotions. I feel they want to reconcile with their old friends and they really want to look back in life, see what lovely life I had, back then. Right now, in the near future, they're only dreaming, imagining, all in their mind, all in their mental situation. They're only thinking. Okay, the first week, second week, uh, third week, and fourth week. Okay. So the first week of June is going to bring them a lot of, in the first week is going to bring them a lot of achievements at work, what they've been waiting for, probably in incentives, perks. That is what I'm getting, incentives, perks they've been waiting for. In the first week is going to come, okay, or it's going to be very close, as if it's going to come tomorrow, day after that time. Second week they're going to not feel well or probably a little depressed. I feel second week also they should be a little careful about their money, because I can see a lot of cheating happening, a lot of toxic space where probably your money will go in a wrong direction. Somebody will come in your life who's going to be very money minded and try to cheat you for money, or try to ask you for money but manipulate the situation. Very sweet on the face, and try to manipulate you. Please take care of your money and your health in the second week. Health is also an issue. Probably the type of addictions you have. Now, this addiction is not necessarily drugs or alcohol. This can be your sweet addiction, or laziness, or anything like that. It can be any one of them, so that could also trigger some kind of health issues. Okay, now the third week is all about, again, not much recovered, feeling tired, feeling frustrated with the situation, feeling not good with the situation in your life. Okay, feeling totally drained out and trying to rest or sleep all the time. Okay, and the fourth week is all about being stuck in circumstances. Okay, you feel that right now the situation around you is not very good, so it's really keeping you stuck in your life. You're not able to move further. Okay, probably this could be your own fear also. For some it could be their own fear, own thinking, that because of their own thinking, own fear, they are feeling stuck in the fourth week, right? In such a situation in your life, you should always go for healing, meditation, or grounding. When you're not feeling good mentally and you can't see any way out in your life, grounding is the key. The more you ground yourself, the more you are going to see solutions in your life. Okay, the more ground yourself, the more cleansing your aura, the more you are doing meditation, you're going to get more clarity instead of feeling so emotionally low. Okay, uh, let's see what we have in your relationship area. I feel Gemini, the blocks, let's talk about first. Your third eye is totally blocked. That means you are not ready to see the truth about your relationships. What goes wrong in your relationship? Probably you're going into a pattern. Universe has been sending you signs, but you've not been paying attention to that because you're living in denial. Okay, the other block in June, I mean, is that you're not putting enough efforts in your relationship. Okay, now what is the outcome in June for people who are married? They are going to feel a little alone, or probably they are going to go into their shell and they're going to rethink about their decision, or they are in the relationship they are in, what needs to be done. Okay, so they are taking a step back. And people who are single, probably they will work on themselves, because there's a lot of control energy. I feel they have been under control, or they have tried to control their situation desperately, and because of that, now they have realized this is not going to work. You have to work on your crown chakra and you have to work on your root chakra. Both are blocked. Okay, single people will still step forward to heal and slowly improve their situation in their relationships. Crown chakra and root chakra has to be balanced, so please take care of that. And there are a lot of videos on YouTube on that. Aura cleansing is totally recommended at this time in June. And slowly I feel as you're detaching from your toxic past, slowly you're walking towards good relationship, but it will take time. It won't happen in June. June is still a healing period for you. Okay, so let's see what message we have from Ganesh. Innocence. That's such a beautiful card. I think you should acknowledge the innocence in yourself and in others. Probably you have been thinking a lot. See, the back of the head of Ganesh is a yellow color. So back of the head, there is a lot of wisdom coming to you. Slowly, as you acknowledge the innocence in yourself and in others. Okay, the more you keep yourself open to the universal messages, like the crown chakra was blocked. So you have to open your crown chakra. The more messages you're getting, the more wisdom you're getting, more wiser you're getting. Right? So Ganeshji says that he's helping you to acknowledge your innocence so that you're open to receiving all the messages from the universe. Right? That's a beautiful message, and see you again soon with lots more videos. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and email me for paid appointments only. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye. Take care.